Hey, it's Tim. Today we got our old 7 CRV Honda. We'll be doing the rear door actuator. You can hear it. Alright. We'll be taking this off right here. One up in here. One down here, and of course the trim off of here. And I'll show you how everything looks when I get everything off. Okay, you're gonna have the screw here, one down there, one over here behind the, you see it right there, and one under here, or all Phillips set. Make sure you get all those out. Alright, you're gonna have a Phillips here, one here. You have 3 on this side. And you'll have a 10mm that's holding the guide for the window. But you want to loosen that because you'll have to move it to get this out. And if you got a impact, you have an impact screwdriver, I would suggest using that. I just use one of these with a socket on it and a 1/4-inch drive, because I mean, this works pretty good, but they're pretty tight. You ain't gonna get it with a regular Phillips head. You'll have to use one like I am. This, because they are pretty tight. I got them broke loose now, so we're going to be taking these 3 out. Take this one out right here. I don't know how good I am getting in there, but you got that one up top there, that right top. You got to pull that lever. That white lever right there, you gotta pull it off and then get that hook out. Alright, you got to get that hook out. That white one right up here. You got to push that lever over to the left and then pull that hook out. I'll try to show you. Alright, I got the white one off of it there. The way I found it is you come out back here, pull that switch, pull your lever to unlock the door, and it pulls it down a little bit, makes it a little better. Alright, you just gonna have to maneuver it every way you can. Move this window guard over. Just kind of go cat corner like this. Alright, best thing to do is line them up together so you know where to go. You're gonna undo this screw here, and this one right here. this off. Then we're gonna transfer it over here. But first, you're gonna get your line off here. Your line off right here. The best thing to do is just pop them. Pop it off. See if I can get you in here, dude. You just want to pop it off the side there like that. Pop this one off. That way, once you pop it off, you just kind of move your hook like that. And this one, you're just gonna pop that off right there. And this should just pull right out. Then of course you're gonna pop this right in here. You're gonna wanna pull this down here like this. Pop it in, pop that around it, just like that, and of course pop it in here. There we go. And in this, of course, it's just a line that goes in here, like that, and you pop it in here like this. And that's it on that. And then you put your, make sure you snap your cover in good. All right. There's really no way to film this good, but what you're gonna have to do is slide this guide. You're gonna have to move that over. So you can loosen it up here if you need to. That's okay. But you're gonna have to slide this guide over. Like I said, make sure you get your clip back on up the top there. Push that all back in. Make sure this kid's safe. Lined up. Line up your holes, and then we'll start putting it together. No more noise. So, no one done at Tim's Auto. Thanks for watching. Here, come on.